Good day. Today we're going to look at the Progress QR Ticket API generation programming interface that permits the creation of QR codes for ticket purposes, where you can customize the look and feel, and it's trackable, and you can access the interpretation of the QR code using our other client API or existing mobile apps, Windows apps, and web apps. Right, and as I said, we can try this API through Rapid API, and the link is shown later down. Again, it's a summary of what it can achieve. This is the site to which you can access the API and use it as a subscription service. So over here we have the endpoint, and we have the message type, which is a JSON string of the parameters, below parameters. You have the email user, where it creates an account for you at the first use of the API and creates a password that will permit you access to other tools supporting the API. And so you can see all the different attributes, what is mandatory and what's not. The key aspects are the color scheme of the QR code, if it has a logo, where to find the logo, where to place the logo. You can also add text and where to place the text. If it's left blank, there's no text. Right, different attributes for the text. It can be say change the size, the font, the angle at which is. Then we look at the return parameters, the response payload, there's status, the URL for the QR code image, the content of the QR code, error code if any, and you also have a new image called a ticket image, new ticket image. That's a URL to the new ticket image, which will have the ticket and the QR code embedded seamlessly. We have the different mobile apps. Now that is going also to have Windows apps and web apps to interface in scanning and interpreting the QR code to present the relevant information. Here we have the site where you can test and use the API as a subscription service. It supports numerous languages to easily integrate into your own app or service. So I will just allow you to see some of the options and the different languages that exist that it supports.